So I'm going to try and give you guys this rundown as fast as humanly possible. So basically there's a huge problem that people are having with downloading GTA 5 through Epic Games Launcher. And since I can't find many videos covering this topic and explaining what it is, I'm going to just go in myself and tell you guys what you need to do to fix it. So basically you're going to download GTA 5 through Epic Games and install it. Obviously that was kind of a given. Next you need to try and launch the game, but oh fuck, Rockstar doesn't give a shit about you, so unfortunately it's not going to launch. The next thing you need to do is go to Rockstar Social Club's website and click to download the file, which I'm not going to download because I already fucking have it. Once you download it, you're going to need to make up an account or link an old account that you have. Keep in mind that any old console account that you have will not merge your console info onto your new PC platform, as that has been removed completely. I would know, I'm level 4 fucking 100 plus on console, and on PC I am nothing. The next thing you're going to have to do is you're going to let it look for games. It'll probably say that you don't have anything, being that that's what it did in our situation. After that, you're going to press the 3 little dots on the bottom right of the GTA 5 logo, and you're going to press verify. After it is done verifying, you should be able to launch the game. A quick note is that it'll likely take 2 tries to actually succeed at launching the game, because initially when you click launch on it, it will load into Social Club and it will download DirectX for Windows. If you play any other games on your PC, there's a decent likelihood that you will already have DirectX. However, for the sake of warning you, I'm going to say it anyway. After it downloads that, it'll probably say it didn't succeed at launching the game. It will then either restart automatically or you will have to launch the game on your own. Either way, that's how you get GTA 5 to work from Epic Games Launcher. That's it. See ya.